Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope everybody is fine and safe at home. Today we are going to start lesson 7, that is the Abraham Prize. Let's start reading. Next Tuesday we are going to have a special examination in English, said the teacher. Many years ago there was a boy at this school called William Abraham. The boy passed out of school and became a doctor. Now, every year, Dr. Abraham gives a prize to the student who gets the highest mark in a special English exam. In the first paragraph, it is a scene of a class in which a teacher is saying that next Tuesday all of the students are going to have a special exam in English, and she is also telling the students that many years ago there was a boy whose name was William Abraham. The boy passed out of the school and became a doctor, and every year now that boy whose name is Dr. Abraham used to give a prize to the student who gets the highest mark in the special English exam. Okay, come towards the next page, page 75. On Tuesday morning, everyone was ready for the exam. You have to answer 20 questions in 1 hour, the teacher said. And remember, you must not cheat. Okay, students, you can see the picture here. The students are taking their exam, एंड व्हेन द ट्यूसडे अराइव्ड, जब मंगल का दिन आया और सब बच्चे एग्ज़ाम के लिए रेडी थे, तो टीचर ने उनको अनाउंस किया कि सब ने 20 क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स देने हैं इन 1 आवर, यानी कि 1 घंटे में. और टीचर ने उन्हें कहा, रिमेंबर यू मस्ट नॉट चीट. दिस इज़ द सेम इंस्ट्रक्शन विच every students which you people always have, or which people always listened from your teachers, they don't cheat and do your work with honesty. आप लोग हमेशा यही सुनते हैं अपने टीचर से कि चीटिंग नहीं करें और अपना काम ईमानदारी से मुकम्मल करें. The students began to do the exam. Wai Choi picked up his pencil and began to write. He easily finished the first 15 questions. Okay, when the exam started, Wai Choi was a boy who just started the exam, and everyone knows that he easily finished the first 15 questions. Just then, a piece of folded paper landed on his desk. Wai Choi looked around. He saw one of his classmates, Ying Ki, biting his pen and looking at him. Wai Choi opened the note. It read, "What is the answer to question 11?" Okay, students, this is a paragraph about that when Wai Choi has completed his paper and he was just sitting on his desk when he received a folded paper from his classmate, and his name was Ying Ki. आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे इनके नेम्स कितने डिफरेंट हैं, बिकॉज दीज नेम्स आर लाइक चाइनीज़ पीपल, वाई चॉय एंड जिंग की. सो इससे पता चलता है कि ये एक चाइना की स्टोरी है. जिससे वाई चॉय ने जब देखा अपने इर्द गिर्द जो उसका जो क्लास फेलो था यिंग की, वो अपना पेन दांतों में चबा रहा उसकी तरफ देख रहा था. वाई चॉय ने जब वो फोल्डेड पेपर खोला तो उस पर लिखा था कि व्हाट इज़ द आंसर टू क्वेश्चन 11. Wai Choi looked angrily at Yankee and shook his head. He folded the note and threw it. He folded the note and threw it back. Okay. वाई चॉय ने जब देखा गुस्से की तरफ, वाई चॉय को ये बहुत बुरा लगा और उसने गुस्से से यिंकी की तरफ देखा और अपना सर हिलाया कि वो उसको नहीं बताएगा, और उसने दोबारा वैसे ही पेपर फोल्ड करके जस्ट उसकी तरफ वापस फेंका. What are you doing, Wai Choi? The teacher asked. He walked up and picked up the note from Yinki's desk. He read it and said, I told you not to cheat. Give me your paper and leave the room. Wai Choi, I can't let you finish the exam. Okay, students, the tragic scene is that when the Wai Choi was throwing that paper back towards the Yankee, the teacher just saw him. टीचर ने उसको देख लिया वो पेपर फेंकते हुए, और वो फ़ौरन वाई चॉय के पास आए और बोले कि तुमने क्या फेंका है। और जब उन्होंने वो पेपर खोल के पढ़ा तो उनको गुस्सा आ गया, और उन्होंने कहा आई टोल्ड यू नॉट टू चीट, मैंने कहा था कि चीटिंग नहीं करनी। अब मुझे अपना पेपर दो और रूम छोड़ के चले जाओ, मैं तुम्हें अपना एग्ज़ाम फिनिश नहीं करने दूंगा। ओ ओ नाउ द वाइट जॉय वॉकड विद Why Joy walked with tears in his eyes. He got on his bicycle and rode very slowly along the road with his head bowed. Before he knew it, he had crashed into an old man. Both of them fell down. Because he was not cheating, that's why he was very sad, and he had tears in his eyes. He just took his bicycle and rode back towards his home. And when he was just came across with an old man, और उसकी साइकिल के साथ एक बूढ़े आदमी टकरा गए। आई एम वेरी सॉरी सर, वाई चॉइस सेड, आई वाजंट लुकिंग। That's all right, said the old man. Let me help you up, said Wai Choi. Thanks, but tell me, why are you not in school? Asked the old man. ओके, वाई चॉय ने उससे सॉरी बोला और उसे कहा कि मैं देख नहीं रहा था। उस आदमी ने कहा कोई बात नहीं। वाई चॉय ने उसको हेल्प आउट किया उठने में और उसे बताया, और वो उस बूढ़े आदमी ने उससे पूछा कि तुम स्कूल में क्यों नहीं हो इस वक्त। Come towards the next page. Okay. I was sent out of school, sir, Wai Choi said. वाई चॉय ने बड़े ही उदास लहजे में कहा कि मुझे स्कूल से निकाल दिया गया है। Soon he was telling the old man all about Yankee's note. And जब उसने यंकी के नोट के बारे में सारी कहानी उस बूढ़े आदमी को बताई, the old man listened patiently. Can you prove to your teacher that you didn't write the note? He asked. Okay, now the old man said to that boy that go and prove it that you didn't write that note. Just then Wai Choi noticed a large pen in the old man's pocket. Oh yes, I can prove that I didn't write the note, he cried. इतनी देर में उसने एक पेन देखा, उस बूढ़े आदमी की पॉकेट में उसने एक पेन देखा और उसे कुछ याद आया और वो कहने लगा, हाँ मैं ये प्रूव कर सकता हूँ कि वो नोट मैंने नहीं लिखा। Wai Choi rode like the wind back to school. When he entered the classroom, his teacher was marking the exam papers. Sir, I didn't cheat in the exam, said Wai Choi. That note was written with a pen, and I always use a pencil. In fact, I don't have a pen. If you look at the handwriting in the note, sir, you'll see that it's not my handwriting. In any case, I had already answered question 11. Okay, students, this is the very interesting paragraph. It described that Vaichoy just went back to the school, and when he saw that his teacher was marking the paper, and he just went to his teacher and told him that I was not cheating because I used to write with a pencil. I don't have a pen. You can check it. You can check it, and you can check my handwriting as well. That note was not in my handwriting. Okay, and the third proof is that I have already answered the question 11. यानी कि मैं तो वो कहने लगा कि मैं तो पहले से ही इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिख चुका था। The teacher checked Wai Choi's answer paper and the note. He said, I am very sorry, Wai Choi. I made a mistake. Please forgive me. Now sit down and complete the exam. When the teacher checked that paper and he just matched the handwriting of that note to the paper, and he came to know that yes, it was not in the handwriting of Wai Choi, and he just apologized to the Wai Choi and said, you can complete your paper right now. Who do you think got the highest mark in the exam? Wai Choi, of course. On school day, when Wai Choi walked up to receive his prize from Dr. Abraham, he was surprised. जब स्कूल स्कूल के दिन जब वॉय जॉय अपना प्राइज़ लेने के लिए स्टेज पर डॉक्टर इब्राहिम से अपना प्राइज़ लेने के लिए आगे बढ़ा तो वो बहुत हैरान हुआ। डॉक्टर इब्राहिम वॉज द ओल्ड मैन ही हैड नॉक डाउन विद हिज बाईसाइकिल, क्योंकि डॉक्टर इब्राहिम ही वो बूढ़ा आदमी था जिसने उसको इनकरेजमेंट दी थी कि गो बैक एंड प्रूव दैट यू वॉज नॉट चीटिंग, यू वर नॉट चीटिंग। एंड वो जो उसके बाईसाइकिल के साथ आदमी टकराया था वो डॉक्टर इब्राहिम ही था। You can see in the picture an old man is waving hand to that boy. So he is a Dr. Ibrahim. So students, what lesson you have got from this chapter? That never ever think about cheating. Always do your work with honesty, because honesty is the best policy to achieve your goal. Whenever you start teaching and you start cheating or you start illegal ways to get your goals, it always led towards failure. ठीक है, कभी भी अपना काम शॉर्ट वेज से या चीटिंग से या इलीगल वेज से नहीं कंप्लीट करना चाहिए, हमेशा अपना काम ईमानदारी से मुकम्मल करना चाहिए। Now I have a home assignment for all of you, that is, just look at the picture at 74 and you just have to tell me that in both pictures which of the two students in each picture is an honest student, which of them is perhaps a cheat, कौन cheating कर रहा है और कौन honesty से अपना काम कर रहा है। Okay, and just read this story 2 or 3 times at home. Take care and Allah Hafiz.